Welcome to the data strategy session of the insurance series of this webinar. It is clearly recognized that data is the most valuable asset for insurance companies, and they should rely on decisions made from right and timely data. The benefits of a right data strategy are multifold, and insurance companies reap those benefits over multiple years. Today, we want to describe how Oracle can assist you to plan your data strategy and extract the business value for your company. I'm Gianmaria Meris, Insurance Global Solution Consultant within Oracle Financial Services, and I'm very pleased to have with me today Raghav from the Product Management team.
Hi, I'm Raghavendra Patil, Product Manager for Oracle Insurance Data Foundation from Oracle Financial Services.
During the session, we would like to take you through the business needs which force insurers to rethink their data management and the challenges that they might face. We will highlight the Oracle solution in terms of architecture and business coverage, and we will close describing the experience of one of our customers. Insurers are more and more exploiting the power of their data, and that's valid across the organization. CFOs need data to provide financial reporting at a more granular level as required by the new standards, or to support decision-making by providing more granular analysis of profitability across multiple dimensions. Chief risk officers have to deal with a number of new risks they have to evaluate, such as climate change and derived natural catastrophes or cyber security, and understand the impact on solvency metrics, and to prepare new disclosures with climate-related financial information that will be more and more required by investors. Chief compliance officers have to comply with multiple and diverse regulations, while CMOs need a wider and deeper set of data related to customers to enable a more intelligent approach and increased service. Chief data officers have the responsibility to make all this data available with enhanced capabilities to govern the processes for data collection and usage. All these aspects which make the difference from the past is that all these areas and functions are very much interconnected between them, and that increases the complexity of managing data. They have to ensure consistency in their reports and the results of their analysis, including risk-optimized metrics. They have to pay attention on costs, enhancing the efficiency in data management. They need flexibility to address demanding regulatory requirements, and also openness towards new technologies, such as cloud and artificial intelligence. The result of that is the need of a unique data platform and architecture can address different types of analytical needs, analytical engines, self-service reporting and insights, extended predictive modeling, stress testing. And this across multiple departments such as risk, finance, actuaries, and customer management. While planning for your data strategy, you should consider how to overcome multiple challenges. So data redundancy. Data is spread across multiple sources, including duplicate data, thereby making consolidation a challenge. Then the lack of integration between downstream actuarial, accounting, as well as source system is another key challenge to address. In terms of data validation, data accuracy and consistency is a huge challenge, thereby triggering the adjustment process. And about auditability and traceability, we know that data traceability is more and more required also by accounting standards, for example. And the traceability of data all the way to source systems, right from reporting and processing activities, is another important aspect. Reusability. With the increase in data redundancy, it is difficult to use the same data multiple times. And finally, consistency. So the challenge to have the data consistent across multiple and different applications, across general ledger and transaction systems.
Hi, what we are seeing on screen is OIDF data management architecture. This indicates various components of data management and how they are used for achieving the business purpose. As we can see that on left side, we have all source systems, and first step is to integrate this system of records to unified staging area, which is second step. Customer needs to bring data only once, and it is expected to be reused for multiple use cases. After loading data into staging area, it can be moved to unified results directly as shown in step 3, or it can be sent to applications for app processing or to generate calculated outputs as shown in step 4. Analytical engines can be OFSA or external one, which is step 5. Data from system of records as well as processing outputs are brought to unified results as shown in step 3 and 6. Thus, with both staging and results being unified, it removes the data redundancy and ensures the consistency of results across multiple functional as well as analytical areas. With data integration hub, integrating OIDF with external applications is as simple as it can get. Not only this, but customer can change physical bindings while keeping the logical names same, which ensures a lot smooth change management through DH. All of this comes with a common data governance features like GL reconciliation, reconciliation between transactions and contract granularities, lineage of a data, data quality rules, various issue and control action plans working with either variance analysis or a key indicators. OIDF comes with pre-built connector for Oracle Accounting Hub or Financial Accounting Hub. As we can see, this not only addresses the data management challenges, but provides comprehensive running environment for all insurance analytical needs. Let us go through brief overview of OIDF data model coverage through subject areas. OIDF provides comprehensive coverage of insurance processes starting from party or customer, underwriting and quotes, insurance contracts, claims, asset management, to name a few. OIDF supports life insurance contract, health, property and casualty, annuity, and retirement in direct insurance contracts. It supports reinsurance held and reinsurance issued for indirect or reinsurance contracts. To summarize, OIDF supports both direct insurers as well as reinsurers. For customer-related analytics, OIDF provides extensive coverage on individual as well as corporate customers like campaign and channel, lifestyle activities, medical data, crime and substance usage, various financial details, and assets and liabilities of customers. OIDF provides elaborate data governance features, as we have just discussed, about GL reconciliation, adjustment framework to adjust those reconciliation gaps. And on workflow side, it provides issue and action plan. It allows to create control mappings, etc. It covers glossary as well. OIDF is compliant with latest security regimes like GDPR, and with Oracle database, it is compliant with HIPAA as well. On risk management, OIDF provides elaborate structures on insurance risk, actuarial outputs, capital reporting, and latest accounting standards like IFRS 17 and LDTI. Under performance management, it supports profitability analytics as well as performance insights, which helps customer to understand their profitable areas, profitable products, as well as which producer is doing better and where are the risk areas for further exploration. Applications like IFRS 9, 17, profitability, performance insights are all supported by OIDF. OIDF will help you to define insurance data strategy to cater evolving analytical, regulatory, and technology landscape. On current accounting standards like IFRS 17 and LDTI, which are the trends of current time, OIDF along with Insurance Accounting Analyzer helps you to keep ahead of curve and match the speed at which standards are evolving. OIDF is designed in such a way that it helps to get as of date data as well as time series data with wide range of attributes. Thus, on analytics, OIDF can support various categories of statistical as well as MIS reporting requirements for analytics. Keeping pace with emerging technology trends, OIDF can be deployed on cloud. OIDF can be implemented as pure RDBMS, pure Hive, or as an hybrid installation like RDBMS plus Hive, as per customer requirements. OIDF provides structures for telematics device data used under IoT, and structures are aligned with Accord standards. OIDF provides built-in connector with Financial Accounting Hub, covering insurers or helping insurers in their accounting transformation requirements. This can be regular accounting entries or IFRS 17 or LDTI or Solvency II specific. OIDF has necessary structures to help customers in wide range of use cases in accounting transformation.
Here, we would like to summarize the key differentiators of the data platform that we propose. Leveraging the same data model for multiple use cases across risk, finance, actuary, and more, insurers can greatly reduce or even eliminate data redundancy across the different silos. We provide the same data repository for data ingestion, processing, and reporting, with the staging area, processing, and results area within the same data platform. Data management challenges are completely addressed with a ready-to-deploy physical data model, which include metadata management for full lineage capabilities, and including out-of-the-box data validation rules to ensure high-level quality in the data. Openness and easy integration with sources and with financial applications that need the results of the analytical engine. Then the data platform can be used also beyond processing for pure analytical needs. And its value has been proved by customers' adoptions in the last 20 years. And we would like to conclude highlighting a customer experience which is a proof of the real benefits our customers can achieve adopting the Oracle Insurance Data Foundation and the data platform. This customer has been able to gain all the benefits they were looking for. Reduce the total cost of ownership, simplify and reduce the complexity of the project, which led to an acceleration in the delivery of business results, gain flexibility to address multiple use cases across the organization, and finally, an integrated environment for their reporting and analytical needs. Together, we addressed all the priorities of our customers. The cost of the project to create a comprehensive data model was high, and we helped to reduce the cost of their data and compliance so that they could focus on their business. The pre-built data model and the capabilities of the platform enabled the customer not only to reduce the time to market of the specific project, but also having accelerators for the next use cases. And another key element was to exploit all the capabilities to optimize reporting, which includes both data lineage from the results to the source data, but also eliminating the reconciliation effort due to the achieved consistency of results across different departments and functions. The overall value of the initiative can be summarized with the TCO reductions of 4.8 million across 3 years. This is a concrete example that demonstrates how insurers can get incredible value by leveraging Oracle Insurance Data Foundation at the heart of your data strategy. Thank you very much for your attention. And in case of any question, please reach out to us via email.
Thank you. Thank you very much.